In this video, I'll show you how to combine the profile organizing feature combined with profile operation synchronization. Let us start by selecting the number of profiles to be sorted. Then select the window arrangement. So here we have 3, and the first option is to automatically. The second option is the profile size. The third option is to sort by row number of fixed columns. You can choose the scale of the profile, the display area, or how to open it. Can preview the results. Next, if you want to synchronize the profiles, we choose the operation synchronization feature again. Here we have 3 modes: automatic sorting, enter size, and arrange manually. Because we're combining organizing and synchronizing operations, so we're going to choose auto mode or arrange manually. We can import more U-boot or install more extension under LOD unpack mode, so that the profile when syncing will open the URL and install the extension. Then you can click Start. In the process of synchronization, we can pause to operate individually for each profile, and keep syncing. If you find the video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel.